Speaking of tech stocks, let's check in on shares of ZoomInfo Technologies. Those shares are trading down by 26% this morning. The company did beat earnings estimates. Revenue grew 46% year over year. But the company cut its free cash flow forecast for the remainder of this year. And, we've talked to Henry Schuck, the CEO of ZoomInfo, multiple times. This is a company that has prided itself on its profitability, right? And it was still profitable in the quarter. But when you cut that cash flow forecast, that causes some concerns.
This is not a good day for Henry. He's a friend of our show. We really enjoyed watching him as he continues to build this business. Definitely an up-and-comer in the software space. But I talked to him, I was thinking back last night to when I talked to him at the Goldman Sachs conference in mid-September. It did sound like some of these deals that they were trying to push through, a little bit of delay, a little more scrutiny. He told us that. And now I think those comments were echoed on that conference call last night, saying some macro pressures are causing some deal delays. They are closing, just not, I think, as fast as he would have liked.
Well, of course, the companies that you're going out and trying to either upsell to or sell into as net new customers are all looking across the spends that they have or the cost structures and all of the different applications that they lean into, whether that be a Slack application or whether that be a data center spend that they have to continue to maintain. And with that, that comes down to the different services that you decide to either trim or just kind of remain at the same credence of that spending and say, you know what, we're just going to allow lesser access within the organization to this particular type of software. And I think in the larger ERP landscape, that's the decision that some of those portfolio clients are going to make, is to say, do we need as many licenses? Can we have a core kind of license holder and administrator to say that, you know what, we operate with this one license amount actually, and decide not to kind of build up off that. And that's similar to what ZoomInfo is probably having to navigate through right now too.
Yeah. So,
of course.
Indeed, not a good day for Henry.